Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny. This is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. And today we're going to be making up a little bit of breakfast for you on the Blackstone griddle. I've got some Whataburger sausage and eggs, and that's what we're going to have for breakfast. So stick around and watch how I do it. Just going to take this and put a little oil on top of my Blackstone. Spread it around, and I tell you what, some of y'all may have heard of Whataburger and know of it as our hamburger store here in Texas. That's from Texas, but they have a great breakfast sausage. I love their breakfast sausage, and so today we have got Whataburger breakfast sausage, and we're just going to show you how we mix this up with some eggs on the Blackstone and see if we can get a breakfast going. Let's just drop this out of our package. You can tell I got the Blackstone heated up well. Starting to already sizzle on me. I'm just gonna take this and cut it up. And as it cooks, it'll break down easier. Just easy process. And whether you got a Blackstone or you have a Campmade or whatever kind of griddle you have, just make sure you get it good and hot. Make sure it's seasoned good. And then once it's hot, add your oil. Then let your oil get hot, and then add your meat. It'll give you that much more non-stick. Same way in a cast iron skillet or any other kind of skillet. Let it get hot, add the oil, let the oil get hot, then add your food. Much more non-stick than other ways. So we're gonna put this down here and let it start cooking up for us. Just kind of take it, let it sit, let it crisp up a little bit. Give it a turn till you get it brown just like you like it. You can keep it down thin on the griddle. It's all going to cook more, get more surface area that way. This is looking pretty good, and I'm not going to use all of it for sausage and eggs. I'm going to be making some omelets in a little bit, so I'm going to take part of it and just push it over here to a warm part of the grill. Let it sit there and stay warm for the omelets people won't. But my wife, she just loves sausage and eggs. So we're just going to do it just like this. Got about a half pound of sausage there. So take some eggs, crack them in a bowl real quick. Right there. And I am not going to season these first. You know, sometimes I do. I won't say I always don't. But salt can start breaking down your eggs a little quicker sometimes than you want them. So, right there. Last one. Got me 4 eggs ready to go. And now I'm just gonna take my eggs and I'm gonna whisk them up real good. My wife she loves these Cutco whisks. I tell you what, she just can't. She says they're the best thing since apple pie. She loves them. So we actually got a couple of these that we have and use, but that's pretty good. Take my sausage, I'm gonna give it another little turn. And I'm just gonna drizzle these eggs right over the top of that sausage. Right like that. Toss it in with my sausage. Work it around. I don't think this would pass the Gordon Ramsay test of best way to make scrambled eggs, but hey, it's the way she likes them. She likes them mixed together like that. So let's let these cook all the way through. Now, I'm going to take my eggs are pretty much cooked. I'm going to take it, put a little pepper on them, put a little salt, little pepper. Let's give them a toss now. Those eggs are looking pretty. And here we go. Let's get our eggs off before we overcook them. Don't want that to happen. There you go. Nice plate of sausage and eggs, just the way my wife likes them. So I'm going to check, make sure I got enough salt and pepper in them. I tell you, These eggs turned out great. My wife's gonna love them. If you don't have a Blackstone griddle, think about it. You may not need a big one like I got, but that little 22-inch model with 2 burners on it looks like it'd be pretty sweet to have, I tell you. But they're a lot of fun to have. They work great. Well worth the money anyway around, I totally believe. So thanks for stopping by. Always do appreciate it. Tell your friends and family about us, and we're going to see you down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.